Okay, so if you've been trying to fall pregnant, what are the classic signs that you've actually succeeded in your mission? Firstly, a missed period is one of the classic signs. You could miss your period for other reasons like PCOS or endometriosis, but if you don't have any of those, missed period is number one. Then you've been feeling nauseous, you've been feeling queasy, you suddenly don't have a like for certain foods. Certain smells make you feel like you just want to gag. And then, of course, the last most important thing that confirms if you are pregnant or not is a pregnancy test. So now you've had all four done. You've got a positive pregnancy test. What now? It's important to find a GP first, confirm the pregnancy test, then get a referral to a gynecologist. With the gynecologist, they will take over in terms of managing your pregnancy. If you are a first-time pregnant lady, your gynecologist is the best person to ask all the questions. Make sure that when you are there, you use the gynecologist. You are paying for it. You use them to your disposal. Don't be shy to ask any questions, because there are no such thing as a stupid question when it comes to pregnancy, because no two pregnancies are the same and no two women are the same. So make sure that you take full advantage of your gynecologist. Ask as many questions, and I wish you a safe pregnancy. Thanks.